Kaluoy sa bird na nayayay. Uy, uy, uy. Hala, hala, hala. Ay, di, naglihok pa in town. Naigo siya sa among nga bintana. Kaya nagtuo siya nga among bintana, open lang. Mauna nga nagka-concussion siguro na siya. I just want him to fly again, to be able to fly again. Hopefully, dili na siya mamatay. Ula, hala, hala, hinay na kayo yung ginhawa. It's the bird, honey. He thought that, our window here, our glass window is just like open space. Now he looks like he's dying.
Well, he still might get up.
That's what I'm waiting for.
Let's go, come on.
Okay, hold on 1 second.
It's time to watch.
Oh.
I'm gonna get some raisin bran.
Okay.
Come on, honey.
Hello! Abay na akong patay na.
This is gonna be a good movie.
Please.
It takes place in Bangladesh. It kind of looks like the Philippines.
What's the title?
It's very crowded.
What's the title? Do you think it's worth for me
Yes,
to watch
it's action. It's action.
Okay, it's hard for me to sit still.
Well, just give it a try. It's
Okay.
soul-searching action.
Okay, bye-bye, bird.